Question number 15. A continuous belt of width 0.6 meter travels at a constant speed of 2.5 meter per second square per second. The belt has a uniform distribution charge of 5 millicoulomb per square meter. Remember, this is Q divided by area. Okay, on its surface. We write it down. This easier for us. 5 into 10 power minus 3 coulomb per square meter. This is not coulombs. This is not charge. Just charge per unit area. Which means if you multiply by area, you will get the total charge. Okay, this is what you need to understand. As the belt passes, all the charge is removed and is carried as a current in the wire. Okay, what is the current in the wire? You need to find out the current. What is the expression for current? I is equal to Q divided by T. Now, is the value of T given? No. Is the value of Q given? No. And what is that you need to find? You need to get this from the data given over. Now you see this Q, I said already, Q can be calculated here as 5 into 10 power minus 3 into area. Now how do I get the area? This is 0.6. So I will write this as 5 into 10 power minus 3 multiplied by 0.6, rectangular, right? So therefore this length, I do not know what's the length. I'll write length over here. Okay, so I will write this as 5 into 10 power minus 3 multiplied by 0.6 into L divided by T. What is L by T? L by T is velocity, which is 2.5. So therefore, what I can write is that 5 into 10 power minus 3, 5 into 10 power minus 3 into 0.6. This L by T, what's the value of L by T? L by T is 2.5 into 2.5. When I do this calculation, let me see what is the answer I get. 5 multiplied by 0.6 multiplied by 2.5. I get this is 7.5. 7.5 and 10 power minus 3 is there. So it should be milliamperes. So this should be 7.5 milliamperes. Many students have made a mistake here. Even last time when I asked some of the students, they said that so they just took this value. This is a misconception they do. They just took this value and then multiplied by this one, or maybe they took okay, they have done something like this. They have taken this charge Q and then they thought this is L and this is time T, and so they found out the value of time T as in L by V over here. Okay, they got something like 0.6 divided by 2.5. Okay, and then they substituted over here 0.6 divided by 2.5. I got this answer, and they got the answer something like around 4 or something. Okay, so this was completely incorrect. Why? Because you did not read what was the unit to do. Okay, so see to it that there are some questions like this which we generally say it's a twisted one. It's not a twisted one. Only thing is that since you are a physics student, it is expected that you should read the units also. Okay, without reading the units, you cannot solve any question. That's the difference between a math paper and a physics paper. In a physics paper, unit becomes very important. If you are unable to, if you are not able to understand, okay, how to solve something, then look for the units and then try to solve.